The question that's been asked all week is, what is hyaluronic acid injections and how does it help the performance of ski jumpers? So I did a little research on the ski jump, and apparently the suit that the jumpers wear have very specific specifications, and the skiers are measured so that the suit fits properly. It's not too loose, especially in the crotch area, because that's where the center of gravity is. And if you get a little extra material there, then you can get extra lift. And depending on how much extra material, you can get as much as 6 meter advantage by extending the crotch length of the ski outfit by 2 centimeters. So how do they do that? Because they regulate it. So injecting hyaluronic acid, it is a thing. And we perform this for cosmetic reasons. This is the first time I've heard of anyone using it for performance enhancement. So the way that it's done is they measure the floor to crotch length. Okay. So that's how they determine how much material that you can have in that area. For men, they give an extra 3 centimeter allowance depending on how much material you have down there to support. So if you can extend the length of your junk by 2 centimeters, then you can get your extra 3 inches on the suit, which could mean an extra 6 meters on the jump. So that's how that plays in. So the question is, where do they inject it and how is it done? So this is what I wanted to talk about. It is actually very important that it's done by a medical professional who knows what they're doing, because if it's done improperly, you can get disfigurement, and there is also potential for fatal complications. I don't know who's injecting these athletes or even if they're actually doing it. But now that this is in the news, I think that it's going to be something that's going to be pretty popular. And a lot of cosmetic doctors and even non-doctors are going to attempt to do it for their patients. And I've been doing this for over 15 years now, very discreetly, because it's not something that we normally advertise, but it's actually a very popular treatment that men really love, because just like, hey, let's face it, just like women get breast enhancements, men like to get some enhancement too. And so hyaluronic acid is the most popular material that's used because it is reversible in case of cosmetic deformities, which can happen very often. So that's why hyaluronic acid is very popular. There are other materials like PMMA and PLLA that are used, and they're more permanent, so it's not as common, but it's a material that's used. And I do training for cosmetic procedure, and this is probably the one that I get the most requests for. And I have to turn away a lot of people because they're just not qualified. And I don't feel comfortable teaching people a procedure that can be dangerous if they're not following all the right protocols. So if you're thinking about having it done, please just make sure that you have it performed by somebody who really knows what they're doing and someone who has a medical license to perform this procedure with the right training.
Nice. I'm Dr. Hung William Song, and if you like this video, please like and comment below. I would love to hear